Yeah, guys, this is a great banquet burger. Look at that. Also, this is the Sawmill. The Sawmill, we only use a single patty.
Great execution right here. This one in the right spot, well prepared, rehearsed. Sending. That's his game, attack mode. I think for a different team when he's in that mental frame of mind. I agree.
Back at Highland Packers, picking up some meat today. It's a beautiful spring day. Guys, back at my favorite spot, picking up some meat at the Highland Packers. It's a beautiful spring day.
What do you got? You just taking pictures? You can't taste it that way.
Serving 76.
Guys, Highland Packers make the best meat in town. It's fresh from the
Number
shop.
76.
You come here to get your steak. You got porterhouse. You got tomahawks over here.
Sorry.
For all the meat lovers out there, tomahawks, ribeyes, T-bones. Today we will use some cheddar cheese. We got some cheddar for the burgers. You can see you can get all sorts of cheese there. Belly. Guys, we're gonna make the classic banquet burger. So we got nice fresh ground beef here today from the country market. Got some ice cream for me. We got some cheddar cheese, and we got some pea-meal bacon also. We got some requests for the Great Canadian Burgers, so I'm gonna make it for some of my colleagues on Monday. But tomorrow we'll be making the great classic banquet burger and the smothered burger with mushroom. Check out all the ingredients right here. Guys, today we're gonna make the classic banquet burger and the Sawmill Valley burger. So the banquet burger consists of cheddar cheese and bacon. It's a burger where you can get in any diner or any restaurant. It just go in and ask for the banquet burger. So we got the ingredients right here. I got the beef, the oats, the eggs, and the Sawmill burger will have mushroom, eggs, fried egg, and cheddar cheese. Remember these machines? The gumball machine. So we're just gonna slice up the mushrooms. So we're gonna saute the mushrooms. And then we're gonna saute the onions also. So, tomatoes, guys, we're just gonna slice a few slices of tomatoes for the burger. We're just gonna put the mushrooms, onions into a frying pan with a little bit of butter. Just saute it. Some people like their onions raw. I can have it either way, raw or cooked. It doesn't matter to me. Then we'll just put a little bit of black pepper. A touch of salt. That's gonna saute. You can see. The pan's getting hot for the burgers. So we're just gonna make them right now, put them on. Yeah, guys, today we're gonna make the classic banquet burger and also the Sawmill Valley burger, which consists of mushroom, 1 fried egg, and some cheddar cheese. Also, a couple of my colleagues at work requested the Great Canadian Burger. So we'll make that for them tomorrow when I get to work. So we'll start, put all the ingredients in. So guys, instead of using breadcrumbs, we'll just use some Quaker oats right here. So we're using 3 pounds of beef, medium lean ground beef. We're gonna use 2 eggs. A little bit of salt. We're not putting too much seasoning inside the burger. We want it to be as natural as possible. We're just gonna put a little bit of hot sauce, a few drops. And then we're just gonna throw some black pepper and put some black pepper inside. And we're just gonna mix it up. Let's mix all the ingredients together. You can smell the pepper. We'll just give it a little tingle in your mouth, the hot sauce. That's it. Just mix together, just like that. Then we're gonna make some 6-ounce patties. We're just gonna do them by just some nice little balls like that. And the banquet burger that we're gonna make today, we're just gonna do a single patty. Beautiful round ball. Hamburger is just like one of the nice comfort food you can have when you're watching a sporting event. Like right now we're watching March Madness. So you can see we got some beautiful patties right there. There's a pea-meal bacon for the Great Canadian that we're gonna make tomorrow. So guys, we're just gonna put the grill pan on the fire. Let's get nice and warm. Make sure you see
The burger. Okay.
and this. So guys, here's the onions and mushrooms just sauteed, and that's it.
Yeah, man, it's good.
And then now you can see the burgers cooking on the grill. So we just flip them over.
Press up. So when you do, okay, wait.
Guys, in a lot of Caribbean household, on Sundays they always have rice and peas. So today they got rice and peas and some stewed beef. It's right here.
Did you know you're shopping the best competitive prices in Ontario? That's right. We were recently voted.
Guys, now we're gonna do the classic cheeseburger. tomato, onions. Right here we got the cheese melting. So good.